Hey, just wanted to attended a session here, a breakout session. Awesome, highly motivational, learn about different things to help motivate coaches to do the right thing. Always a challenge, getting people to take ownership of their decisions. One of the cool things to take away from me is just a refresher about heuristics, how people will make decisions sometimes and not even realize exactly why they're making them, and yet it's a good thing most of the time. But when it comes to like different laws and different ways to treat, you got to be confident and know what you're doing and when you're making it. So trying to coach people to do that.
Let me ask you this. As I was presenting and talking about decision making and leadership, you talk about heuristics. I understand you're a psychology major, right?
I am,
psychology major.
Definitely.
What about on your job? Do you see this presentation being effective in helping you do your job as an HR generalist, I believe?
I am a general. Yes, I actually do. A couple takeaways. I was in the session with a couple of my coworkers, and one of the takeaways for that PICO model, just kind of looking at the like a process towards making a decision, but not as long as some, as some models can get dragged out. I got to find something because we're a utility industry. You just got to be able to make decisions on the fly, but also to be able to say, kind of pause before you make them. Be able to look at it, analyze what you're doing, what the results will be in time, not just what's going to happen today. How does it affect the big picture? So,
hey, I appreciate it. Hey, I know you got to run. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.